Well, hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and today's video we're going to look at the best toilet paper deal of the week over at Dollar General. And my friend and I had a discussion, a lively discussion, Cottonelle versus Scott. And she informed me, she's like, you get a lot more square footage with the Scott over the Cottonelle. So I have been so heavy on Cottonelle the last 3 weeks, I thought, hey, let's change things up and talk about the Scott's toilet paper in this video today. And as you can see, 2.3 cents per square foot. You might want to look at Cottonelle versus Scott. I didn't snap a photo of both, but according to her, this is the better value. This is also part of saved $3 instantly when you spend 15. So we're going to be grabbing 3 for this little transaction, 3 Scotts. And then we're also going to use 3 of these manufacturer coupons from the January 17th Smart Source. So you'll need 3 of these. This first scenario also, guys, is for any day of the week. It does not have to be like just Saturday only. You can go in there today and do this deal. So any day of the week. So grabbing 3 of those Scotts, it's 15 on the nose. We're having that 3 off of 15 automatic savings. So your new total is 12. You'll present the $3 coupons from the Smart Source of January the 17th, shaving $3 off right there. You're left with paying $9 out of pocket, making each bag of toilet paper $3 each, which is a really great price point. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, as you will get back extra points for this purchase. It's part of the Kimberly-Clark family, so that amounts to some extra points. So absolutely go for this one, guys. Okay, and on my Instagram and here on the communities page, whenever I have these crazy scenarios, I do put stuff on Saturday and say, hey, it's working, hey, it's not working. And one of my favorite things to buy is the Gain detergent. And guess what's back? We have a 5 off of 30, and this is valid until the 27th of February. So at the very least, guys, go into your Dollar General account and load this one. It's good till the end of the month. And this, of course, is once per account, as are all digital coupons over at the Dollar General. But load this guy right away. So the next deal that we're going to talk about is for Saturday only, and we're going to need this secret weapon, which is the 5 off of 25. We're going to also grab 3 bags of the Scott's toilet paper at $5 on the nose. And if you want to mix and match with a Cottonelle, I'm not going to beat you up over that, but we're going to talk about Scott specifically for this video. And remember, we have $3 of instant savings when you spend 15. You don't have to load a digital coupon for that either. It just automatically happens at the register. And then let's not forget, we're going to need 3 of these coupons from your Smart Source of January the 17th to play for this deal. So now we're going to get more items that include this plug for $3, and it is the Febreze plug. There is no oil in it. It's just the plug by itself. It's $3. And then this very generous $3 coupon showed up. So it's basically going to zero this guy out for free. So how wonderful is that? And then to get the basket up to 25, we're also going to grab this fancy Bic razor for $9. And there's a $5 digital coupon that also showed up on Sunday morning. So we're going to load that as well for this scenario. And here's a quick peek. This is what the $5 coupon looks like, guys. So it's on that the razor or the refill cartridge, your choice. Now we're also going to grab something from the dollar spot, or possibly something inexpensive, $1, maybe some Valentine's Day for your Valentine, or for you could celebrate Valentine's Day, something special for you, or if something from the dollar spot, whatever you want, but something that's exactly $1 to get our basket to 25. Okay, so let's look at the math, guys. 3 of the Scotts, it's 15, but we have $3 of instant savings, so we're looking at 12. That one Febreze plug is $3, and then the one Bic razor is $9, and then one item from the dollar spot, $1. So the total for your basket is 25. At this point, you hand over the $3 coupons for the Scott's toilet paper from the Smart Source of January the 17th, shaving $3 off there. The 5 off of 25 Saturday will also come off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers, the 3 for the Febreze, and the $5 for the Bic. You're left with paying $9 out of pocket for the items. It basically shakes it out to $1.50 each. Let's not forget to photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because you will get a whole bunch of points. Quick question I'll answer before people start asking. Where do you punch in your phone number? Well, guys, I have been playing around for the last like probably month at the Dollar General, punching it at the beginning, punching it while the cashier's scanning stuff, and then punching it after all the items are scanned. It makes no difference. That's just my findings. So you do you however you want to do it, but usually I punch it in right away or as the cashier's scanning stuff, and that's how I've had the most amount of luck. Now, to tell you guys something, looking into my Dollar General crystal ball, because I've been around forever, I know that those plugs that are a freebie, people will go into the store and start buying them now because it's a free item and like, why not? They're not going to wait for Saturday to do a 5 off of 25 and use that coupon to its biggest potential. They'll just go and blow it just because. And if you are a very heavily couponed area, you know I'm absolutely right. And you're going to go to the store and cry, and then, you know, it's going to be awful on Saturday morning. So another avenue to take is to grab this, which is a plug and an oil. So this little duo pack. The One by Gain is actually working with that $3 coupon. And it says on a cartridge, and this is both a cartridge and an oil, and it's attaching. This specific product, guys, is $5 on the nose. If you should find like another product that looks similar to this, like a different scent, open up your Dollar General app and scan and see if it is or is not attaching. It's a little bit more than that $3 item, but definitely one to use because, you know, a $5 item with a $3 coupon, hey, that's some savings right there. And if you wanted to have like the plug and the oil, boom, there you have that too, not just the plug with nothing. Okay, so looking at this new deal with that $5 plug, we're going to grab 3 of the Scott's toilet papers. It's $15, but remember we have $3 of instant savings, so it's $12. The one Febreze plug with the oil for $5, and then the one Bic razor for $9. So the total for this is $26 on the nose. Present $3 coupons from the Smart Source of January the 17th, $3 off right there. And then the 5 off of 25 will come off, the $8 of digital manufacturers, $3 for the Febreze, and $5 for that Bic razor magic kit. So you are left with paying $10 out of pocket plus your tax. Never forget the tax. And let's not forget to take a nice photo of this to the Fetch Rewards app. Yes, you will get back extra points for the purchase of your Scott. And like, how wonderful is that? So this video is just kind of a starting point, some really high value coupons, pairing it with the 5 off of 25. The last 2 deals, let's not forget, is for Saturday the 6th only. That's when you'll have the biggest savings. And yeah, that a plug with the oil for $5. It's just like a way to get around things that if somebody does in fact go and buy all those little plugs, which has happened to all of us, guys, like don't get too crazy about it because it happens to all of us. Just somebody sees it and they're like, oh, I need to get all of them. And if the store has 10 of them, they're all gone till truck day, which could be, you know, a couple weeks down the road. So just a different way to look at it. Good luck with this one, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.